Tigrinya Alphabet, Fidel. In this lesson, we will learn the remaining 4 letters of this group.
A, V, K, H.
We recommend searching the internet for G's Keyboard free software. For example, the Lexilogos Multilingual Keyboard website. There is a lot of free software and apps, and then you can practice writing Tigrinya. In the next lessons, we will try reading some words and sentences written with the B group.
A, U, I, A, E, O, V, 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 Va, B, V, Mo, K, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko, H, Hu, Hi, Ha, He, H, Ho, A, U, I, A, E, O, V, V, Vi, Va, Bie, V, Mo, Ke, Ku, Ki, Ka, Ke, K, Ko, H, Hu, Hi, Ha, He, H, Ho.
Follow the channel. Collect the lessons. That way you won't miss any.